Okay, in this episode, we have a 2019 BMW 225i Coupe. The mileage is just over 90,000 kilometers, chassis code F22. The service scope for this shop visit is quite comprehensive, including a full fluid change, radiator flush, and four-wheel dynamic balancing, along with a series of other maintenance items. Additionally, we'll be restoring the two yellowed headlights. As one of BMW's rare coupes, the F22 has a very distinct driving-oriented character. It features the B48 engine paired with the classic ZF 8-speed automatic transmission. While the power isn't exactly brutal, it's more than snappy enough for daily driving. So what kind of problems does a B48 with 160,000 kilometers actually have? Follow the camera to check out the entire reconditioning process for this car. Also, just a quick side note, we are currently scouting a location for our Suzhou shop, and we expect to see you all there very soon. If you guys have any suggestions, or if you need any maintenance and repairs, feel free to leave a comment below or send us a direct message.
Spark plugs.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with thought again, it goes up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you please just stay through all the day.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch time? Why you never said you felt
Ohm
that
fuel
way?
filter.
Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look.
Ohm transmission fluid. Tighten in sequence to ensure even stress on the housing for a stable seal. Tie rod bushing aging and cracking. Handbrake cable clip damaged. Shell Helix Ultra W30. Fuel volume 5.25 liters. Headlights aging and yellowing. Bushing stress relief. Secondary tightening 90 degrees. 4-wheel alignment. Hub maintenance. Apply anti-seize paste. Radiator flush. Before headlight repair. After repair. Reinspection.